Telemachon Lyrus serves as a member of the Black Legion during the era Indomitus. A Terran-born master swordsman, once entrusted with the command of the Emperor's Children's 51st Company. During the Horus Heresy, the then Telemachon Lyrel fought as a member of the Honor Guard of Lord Commander Eidolon. Enthralled by the influence of She Who Firsts, Slaanesh, alike to his kinsmen of the 3rd Legion, Lyrel succumbed to the pursuits of hedonistic pleasure and served as second in command of the traitor warband leader, Cadalus Orlantia. Presiding over many members of his former Legion's 16th, 40th, and 51st Companies, with time, this duplicitous captain grew tired of fighting by the side of his men. Commanding his warship, the Threat of Rapture, to aid in the battle against the wayward Astartes, Falcus Kyber, Leovine Ukris, and Iskandor Kion, Lyrus incurred a grievous wound. Captured by the renegades, Telemachon's wounds were treated aboard the Thousand Sons vessel Talalok by the hands of the likewise captive Drukhari, Nefertari. Falling in love with the Xenos, Telemachon reveled in the torture inflicted by her hands, which only strengthened his infatuation with the Dark Eldar. Defecting to the cause of the renegades, Lyrus joined the Battle of Harmony waged against his former legion as their leader, Ezekiel Abaddon, sought to confront the Spider, Fabius Bile. Slaying the clone of the resurrected Primarch, Horus Lupercal, Telemachon witnessed the ascension of the new War Master of Chaos, and was inducted as the 4th of his new liege's most trusted heralds, the Ezekarion. Rewarded for his loyalty with a shard of the blade Moonsilver, once wielded by the felled Blood Angels Primarch, Sanguinius, Lyrus reforged its metal into a death mask, mimicking his once unscarred visage. Promoted to lead his own Chaos Warband as the Lord of the Shrieking Masquerade, comprised of Chaos Raptors, despite Telemachon's temperament causing Iskandor Kion to bristle, the new War Master of Chaos nevertheless valued his skill in battle. Recorded to be active during Abaddon the Despoiler's 7th Black Crusade, the Lord of the Shrieking Masquerade brought low the Blood Angels chapter during the Battle of Makan, and came close to extinguishing their legacy. Continuing his spiral into depravity and excess, Telemachon Lyrus fights to this day, as his limerence for Nefertari, now severed with her death, fuels his twisted endearment with vengeance.